Smile for the camera.
Hildebrand, number 19 qualifier with a 965. He'll keep his 9 as well. He'll keep his
9:51 on the stop.
Jason Barta, Bakersfield, 69 Chevelle.
Now the car went another 129.60. We drop the RPM, get the chance to hook. We drop the tire pressure, make it stick. So now we're the action right here.
Turn sideways on its own.
Yeah, with high speed. Okay, we got Butch Leo giving the guys in the pit some technical advice.
Chris's dad kept the company going, but was building Curtis race boats. Chris is a fabricator extraordinaire. He inherited from the family, and he continues to build. Out there fully staged, like no, Darton's car loses fire. Peterson waiting, now he's going. Darton's got a problem, the motor belt pops off. Peterson, he's just kind of cruising through there.
Well, that was the strangest run I've ever seen.
In production, since introduction, 1964. Gets there first, 6:05, 237 miles an hour.
584, guys. 237. Pretty cool. You gotta love anytime a woman's under there with Alright, I wanted to catch the last one at Junior Fuel. This is a good class. Naturally aspirated, small block, alcohol. They're staging right here we go. Alright, we're at the hot rod class doing some sea gas practice. See how close we get to a 960 here. Alright, we're staged in.
Identical dial-ins. First one to the finish line.
Ooh, 966.
Hard to beat when the guy goes double 05.
Woo, we're gonna have to tune her up just a tickle.
He made it. T-shirts, stuff like that.
good look at the car show. Waiting for more participants. We got somebody on the track, but just a good view from up in the stands.
It's the white cheddar cheese and the pepper, whatever it is.
Actually, there is a really nice 56.7 Ford around here I want to take a video of. Alright, we got John Hildebrand up here. Hot rod, bracket class.
Get back to the pits. Look at that ET slip. It's like, yeah, that's not the best for us this weekend.
That was what you call Samsung.
Yes.
Here we go, staged in.
So John Hildebrand over there in that 31 Model A. Tony Sanders in the other Model A. He's down there in the 13.
Alright, here we go. Ooh, he had to jump off a lot on that. Looks like he cut a good light. Good job, John.
1052
Alright, we're watching Bittle. He's doing C-gas practice and hot rod. And C-gas has already been called up to the lane, so he's going to have to get this car back up here real fast.
Good looking car right there.
Go.
3 seconds.
3 seconds, yeah.
3 second head start from the Nova. And that's what 3 seconds looks like in a bracket race and the slow car advantage there.
963 on a 961. That's pretty tight.
92.
There it is. Nice. I think that's a 56. Alright, here we are, our first C-gas run.
This time though, he's in racing mode. It could be different.
They're staged in. Here we go. And they're off. Ooh, a 60 on a 60.
And Ferguson runs right on the number.